Right, so we've got the Fidelity 2000 here, Cybernet 134, not to be confused with the Cybernet 002F chassis used in the Fidelity 2001. I've had to prop it up on a reel of solder as well as the bench thingy because the camera's moved since when I set it up. So this was no trade dealer for wrong coil in it and a dry joint as well. So let's go. I've not heard a peep on it all day. Go to Mr Chippie channel and we'll start off on the internal speaker. The internal speaker on these sets is bigger than on the Rotel series. You get 3.5-inch speaker like you do on the Bandit 5-star. So it's set is basically like a Rotel 230 but with a bigger speaker. Originally $89.99. So Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
That sounds wonderful. Right, I'll move it to my extension squeaker.
Yeah, right enough. Let me know when you're done.
Okay, I'm ready.
Roger that. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're just off on our way to the end of the lane. That's Woody's lie-by, etc.
Yep, Roger, that's that dealt with, and you can't see the fields because despite us being spot on time, it is dark.
Yeah, well, technically we're 20 minutes early, but that's it now for this year.
Yep, so when the clocks change, do we get light or lose it?
It gets darker, doesn't it?
Roger, okay. Good.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that. Passing Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads and we're off again.
Well, that was quick.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know.
Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Willisford.
Where's it got you at the top of the hill?
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On the Fidelity 2000 and using the Cybernet 134 chassis, made in Japan 1981, using standard replacement mic at the rear, doing 141 link.
Yep, roger that. That was all received.
Roger.
Passing over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Okay. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. .21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on the Fidelity 2000 from 1981, Cybernet 134 chassis, and on a standard replacement mic. It's drawing 1.23 amps to deliver 4 watts. We'll pop it onto low power. There we are on low power. It's now 490 milliamps and delivering 400 milliwatts. We'll now go back to high power, and there we are back on high power. Over.
Yep, roger that. Well, that was well received on both.
Excellent. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the road again.
Roger, Roger.
Right, we're almost square wheeled as we wait for the level crossing.
Roger, Delta, got you at the level crossing.
Roger. Before.
No, you would have thought
You'd have stayed closed.
they would have stayed closed, and then the yellow light comes on to tell you that there's another train coming, like 12.5 seconds later.
Tango 21, we've moved about 50 yards, train went, barriers opened and barriers gone back down again.
What a disappointing barrier.
You know, just saying why it'd be better off just staying closed. It let about 3 cars through.
I don't know.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now going to Ross level crossing. I nearly forgot we've been here so long.
Yeah, Roger on that, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 155.7 and 157.9 as it's been for probably a couple of weeks now.
Roger on that. Okay, well that concludes the test. This radio's worked exceptionally well over.
Yep, roger that, sounding good from this end, so 10-10.
10-10. Wow, this really is a good set. Receive was 0.23 microvolts for 12 decibel cyanide, full 4 watts. It was just a silly thing with a wrong coil in it. And there we are, it's had the golden expert in it, and this is what happens. So, I'll go over to our Midland base station, we'll go and see what that sounds like into that from the standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Fidelity 2000 into our Midland base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to low power. There we are on 400 milliwatts, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to high power. So we've got a Midland 2001 Precision Series tomorrow from an end user. Thanks for watching.